Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian Bites. I hope all you are doing well, and today's recipe is mixed veg sabzi. This sabzi can be prepared on any occasion, even on special occasion you can prepare this sabzi. So let's get started. For mixed veg, I am taking here mixed vegetables 3 cups, and this includes potato, beans, cauliflower, broccoli and green peas. Paneer or cottage cheese 1 cup. Then we will take 1 cup of chopped onion and 1 cup of tomato puree. Then we will take cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and this is sabzi masala 1.5 teaspoon. Oil and chopped coriander. So let's start. First we'll heat some oil. When the oil is heated, we will fry these vegetables. Vegetables are done. We have to fry this vegetable only for 3 to 4 minutes, and now I am going to take out all the vegetables. In the same pan, I am going to fry paneer cubes. Now this is done, and I am going to take out paneer. Now in the same pan, I am adding the remaining oil. When the oil is heated, we have to add cumin seeds. Now add chopped onion. We have to cook this onion till it becomes golden brown, and it will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Onions are done now, and now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, and we have to cook for 2 to 3 minutes with this ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder and red chili powder. Just mix it. While adding all the spices, you have to minimize your flame, otherwise your spices get burned. And now I am going to add tomato puree. salt. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover the pan. As you can see, it starts leaving oil, so it means our gravy is done. And at this stage I am going to add sabzi masala, half cup of water, and then again we'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add vegetables. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add half cup of water. Cover the pan and we will cook this for 5 to 10 minutes. Now this is done and I'm going to add coriander leaves. Give a nice stir. And now I'm going to serve this mixed veg. Mixed veg sabzi is ready now. Please try this and I hope you will like this recipe, and please tell me how is it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.